So the fashion landscape is embracing bold self-expression and unapologetically indulgence. In 2026, maximalism takes a many form, from 80s inspired power glam to styles that demand attention. In other words, quiet luxury is dead. So rest in peace, long live quiet luxury. This is the time to step into a more assertive, expressive version of your style. It is less about blending it, it's more about standing out, showing off confidence and ambition with every bold outfit. This is the trend to try if you've been itching to add more personality and impact to your wardrobe. Let's look at it. So these are the styles which are going to be in fashion trend 2026. Please check out. The first one is oversized twill blazer in dark gray from H&M. You can check out. Suede hex hip belt, pencil midi skirt in 4-season stretch, the leather oversized moto jacket, medium cuff accessories in golden shade, bi oversized blazer, replay pleated crepe wide leg pants, prize earrings. In 2026, a new wave of sporty dressing emerges that blends athletic functionality with everyday dressing. What started with the Adidas track pant, trend has grown into a demand for fashion that feels sporty outside the gym or the usual contest. Silhouettes include retro track jackets, flight jackets, and anoraks rendered in technical forced fabrics. 80s inspired colors are styled with lace trimmed shorts and stiletto pumps as the perfect example of 2026 take on athleisure. This playful mix of a sporty technical gear and contemporary styling feels unapologetically cool and wearable for real life. Pull on bootcut track pant, smoked firebird track jacket, filled striper jacket, jogger re nylon sneak reina, Holly half zip sweatshirt, high rise double knit stirrup pants, lace trim silky shorts, sensual bomber jacket. Gold is experiencing a powerful resurgence across market and culture as the 2026 trend. Gold symbolizes stability in certain times and a renewed appetite for opulence and decorative design. After seasons dominated by minimalism and quiet luxury, gold as a standout connecting it to the 80s beyond its nostalgic ties, gold is having a moment because it sits at the intersection of heritage, craftsmanship, and investment value, appealing to everyone from affluent buyers to Gen Z archival enthusiasts. Fairfax skirt in crinkle lame, raylaid gold vermeil cubic zirconia earrings, Ivete cascading pellet sleeveless mini dress, small metallic stash bag, Era lab grown diamond crossover rings, the Maya high rise wide leg jeans in gold foil, curl gold vermeil necklace, Bala 45 leather pumps, oversized turtlenecks, vintage blazer and satchel bags, capes, lacy details, silk neckties, and triangle scarves are also spiking as part of the cross-inspired movement. Printed blouse with ties JW collection, Sean corduroy pants, the belted satchel bag, Jordan Horsell leather loafers, slate clean plaid ponte net blazer, Hardy Pinter cotton shawl collar blouse, Bayswater greened leather satchel bag, Italian merino blend mixed stitch sweater. There is a new approach to proportions taking shape, with silhouette that challenge convention and create striking shift in visual balance and offer fresh ways to rethink how the body is shaped. That means cropped outerwear like a short trench coat or a blazer, exaggerately low waistline and bubble skirt and balloon pants, rebalanced proportion through cropped jackets and pencil skirts. In low rise skirts, giving the classic set a modern update. Fit and flare silhouettes seen all over the spring 2026 runways, which push the dropped waist trend to a new dimensions. Airy poplin drop waist sleeve dress, cropped trench coat, balloon pants with elastic waist, satin crop blazer, the effortless pant low rise, bubble hem miniskirt, the bubble high rise barrel leg jeans, OPA bubble sleeve crop top. There is no need to pick up just one print to wear this year. 2026 invites you to pile to every pattern you desire, from polka dots and cheetah spots to rainbow stripes and zebra zigzags. Prints clashing, especially with animal prints, is making a strong comeback, injecting personality and playfulness into wardrobes, pairing cheetah's prints with florals in a way that feels effortless yet unexpected. Polka dot prints blouse, Zahara jacket, Merlin printed silk crepe maxi dress, Harlow bag, printed Harlow bag, Isra floral print long sleeve dress, Bella Mule, Rivoli midi skirt, Bloom top. You can check out these brands and find your fits. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.